Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to extract or open RAR file in iPhone. So as you can see right now, here's a RAR file on my iPhone, and now I want to view this file. Now I'll show you the easiest way to do it without downloading any third-party app on your iPhone. To extract RAR file, you have to go to a browser and then you have to search here. Open RAR file online, and then here you will find lots of websites you can use to extract RAR files. So I'm going to opening this first website, and now in this website we have to upload our RAR file. So tap on choose file, choose files, and now go ahead and select your RAR file and just open the file in this website. And as you can see, the RAR file is extracting, and once done, now just tap on save all as zip, tap on download, and once the file downloaded, go to your files app, and in download folder here you will find this extract.me zip file. So I've converted RAR file to zip file. Now to extract the zip file, just tap on the zip file, and here we can see the zip file successfully extracted. Now just open this folder, and in this folder you will find all of your RAR files. So this is how we can open or extract RAR file in iPhone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.